Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment I'm going to talk about how to grow wheatgrass in trays. Now there's many different ways that you can grow wheatgrass, and a great way is to just use any type of recycled material that's glass. You can make your own tray out of it. You can grow it hydroponically, not using any water, just having some material on the bottom. You just put your seeds down, soak them in water for about, drain the water off, and you'll find that your wheatgrass will come up immediately. You can just put them right into the bottom tray too, and all I do is put some water down, put the seeds in there, and they'll germinate and grow hydroponically right into the container. Now you can use all types of seed trays too and use soil. So you just put some soil down in here, put some grass seed into the container, and then mist it. Don't use too much pressure, and the wheatgrass will come right up in the soil. And then you can cut and use that as needed. Wheatgrass is a great addition to your garden, whether you put it inside or outside, and has lots of nutritious value. Now, wheatgrass comes in many different forms. You can buy it right in a small tray, and it's grown commercially to give to your pets. They just nibble on it.